Okay, welcome back to Screen Print TV. Let me put my glasses right here. Okay, like, subscribe, and leave a comment in this video. We're going to clean the screen. Well, I'm going to show you how to clean the screen. I'm going to point the camera down so that you can see what's going on down here. You probably won't see too much of my face, but that's all part of screen printing. That's for you guys who are thinking about getting into screen printing, that maybe doing some sublimation or heat transfer vinyl or embroidery or some other method of putting a design on a t-shirt, and you say, well, maybe I want to get into screen printing. Okay, that's good, because there's a cleanup process that goes along with screen printing. And that's what we're going to do. I'm going to move my camera, face it down so you can see the screen, see what's going on down here. And you probably won't see my face, but you can still hear my voice. Let's do that right there. Okay, we got our screen. What we'll have here is just a spray bottle. It doesn't matter, just an old spray bottle with a spray nozzle on it that we're going to use. This is our friend. And we have some business cards here that we're going to use. These are business cards that was misprinted or customer didn't pick up. And we have our container that we're going to put our ink back into for later usage. Okay, we're just going to set that right there. And we're going to take a business card. You can buy ink cards, but I got a lot of business cards. We just take an ink card or business card and we get up as much of the excess ink as possible. I should be wearing rubber gloves, and I do have rubber gloves, but I don't have them on. So we're going to go ahead and do this real quick without rubber gloves. Take a card, and we get up as much excess ink as possible out of our screen. And I got a shirt on there, I don't mind getting ink on, don't mind getting dirty. And then we'll just take a card. Like I said, you can buy these, your ink cards, but you can use a piece of cardboard, or you can just use a putty knife. I use a putty knife sometimes. And then we just take a card and just get all the excess ink off of everything. And you're going to get some on your hands, don't worry about that. Okay, and then we're just going to take it and put it back in our containers as much as we can, like that. And then we just take and put our lid back on our container, close our container back up. You know, I got it marked gray, so I know what color it is. Just sit it back on the shelf, and we gotta lift this up for a minute. We got some newspaper under here. This is to catch the ink. What we do is just take our cleaning solution, which is nothing but paint thinner, and make sure you have plenty of paper towels. Some people use old shirts, but you're still gonna need paper towels. And we just take it. Take and sit our squeegee to the side. That right there to the side. And our spray just breaks up all the leftover ink. Like this here. We just break it up like this here. And we get as much out of the screen as possible. Like this here. Okay. And then we put some more paper towels. Like this. And we spray our cleaning solution again. And we get just get the remainder of the ink up out of the screen. And I try to get as much uses out of the paper towel as possible. So Okay. Alright. And you will use a lot of paper towels doing this, so make sure you got lots of paper towels on hand. Okay, we got at a point now. Got most of the ink out of the screen. Off the print side of the screen. And now we can just take and pull the tape off. Just pull our tape off and just throw it in the trash. Take it in. Throw it in the trash. Like that. And we'll get that other later. And then we just come in here and just clean out here. Okay, then we want to lift our screen up. If you can see. We lift our screen up and we lower it down a little so you can see. And what I normally do is take my paper towel and put it behind the image and spray the open design area. Spray it and wipe it down real good. Get the excess ink off of that. Now at this point, we're at a point now that you can, if you want to store your screen, you can get another roll of paper towels, a fresh roll. We're at a point now, if you want to store your screen, it's clean enough that you can store it and reuse it. But since we're not going to be reusing the screen, I'm going to go ahead and remove all the tape and everything, and it'll be ready for reclaiming. So at this point, I take it out of the print head. Now you see we got all the ink out of it, and I remove any excess tape. This is just masking tape you get from like Walmart, or it's not your printer's tape that you get from your print supply store and your distributor, what they sell, the blue and white stuff, the good stuff. This is just some cheap, pull it off, and it's okay as long as you don't let it stay on. If you let it stay on too long, it will leave a sticky residue. And so, okay. And I'll just take a little bit more. Make sure the back is right down real good. And voila. Our screen is ink free. Now we're ready to take it to the washout booth and reclaim it, or at this point we can store it. We can put a label on it for what job it is, and we can store it back up on the shelf. Alright, so that's how you clean the ink out your screen and prep it for reclaiming. So thank you guys for joining me. Have any questions, leave them in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe. And I am out. I have some hand cleaners here. Before I leave, this is what I use to clean my hands with. So I'm going to use some of this here. And I'm out.